Good morning, everyone. I'm Gurumurthy. Today, I'm going to explain about hidden implementation of hidden Markov model. The aim of the experiment to find the sequence of hidden states the given noun of the sequence of observation, like in forward algorithm of HMM model. This concept we can say about the mark the hidden Markov rule is satisfied the model using the represent system that the hidden state which is cannot be observed by directly, like but the production observed output depend on the hidden states. The experimental, the hidden states are sunny and rain. The observed states are happy and sad. So we try to predict the mostly likely weather, like hidden state, and based on the how people feel, like observed state. In this algorithm, we can use it for transition matrix, emission matrix. Now we can implementation of our code. Like first we can import the numpy and we create the transition matrix and the emission matrix and the initial probabilities and the observed sequence. And then we have the forward algorithm to iteratively calculate the probability of absorption and the initial probability. And then the final prediction by summing the all last row of the alpha matrix when find the total probability. You can see the alpha of the total value absorption on the given sequence. In this mostly likely sequence are used to identify the sequence of the hidden states, sunny or rainy. What are the most likely for the each absorption? In this program, we can see the output. We can then run. It's like if run the absorption of the sequence. mm, If the absorption sequence is happy, and then yeah, correct. Happy, sad, happy. The program might output something like the probability of the absorption sequence is 0.024. The mostly like the status sunny, 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 rainy, rainy, sunny. This is our output. And this result is that is successfully implementation of the hidden Markov rule using Python to identify the most likely hidden weather sequence based on the observable emotions. Thank you.